Hi everyone. Today we're going to be dissecting the Flash interface. What I want you to get from this podcast is just a good understanding of where Flash's subcategories are, is to say. So, right now when you open up Flash, which by the way we're going to be using CS 5.5, it gives you this little menu right here. They have recent items you've been working on, different templates. What I like to do is go to ActionScript 3.0. That's what I'm going to be working with mainly. Upon opening it up, you're going to see this gray area right here and a white area. Now basically what's going on is this white area is known as the stage. This is what is going to be seen on your TV. So just giving you an idea, if it's in the gray area, you will not see it on the TV or on the YouTube video or whatever, wherever the animation is, it will not be put on the screen. The white area is what will be on the screen. Up here are your documents. Right now it's untitled because we have not opened it. And this up here is showing we're in scene 1, which I'll go farther into detail of that later. You have your normal, file open, edit, how to view stuff, and then other more things I'll be going into as we go throughout the tutorials. I just want you to know that they're there. Properties panel. I'm going to give another tutorial, but give you an idea, this is what is going to be displayed. For example, I have the stage selected right now. It gives you my size, my width. So if I want this to be more, it gets a little bit more. So this is basically the pixels. I got 24 frames per second. That's how you would change it. If I was to do something different, like draw a square, as you see the properties right here, it showed me the rectangle. It shows me how big it is, how big the stroke is on the outside, which I don't have anything set. I'll be going over this on a different tutorial also. I just want you to know it's there. Library is basically a place where a bunch of symbols are, for example, a square can be a symbol. It's basically like a carrier for animations. And again, I'll be going over that. It's not going to make any sense to you right now. It's going to be again on a different podcast. This area with all the arrows, these are your tools. Again, I'll be going over the toolbar in a different podcast. And then we have the timeline down here. Timeline's basically exactly as it sounds. It's where you're going to be setting your keys. Again, I'm going to be going over different podcasts with the timeline and showing you all the features of the timeline. All I want you to get from this tutorial is basically knowing where everything is and going over it. The last thing I want to go with you guys by is right here are custom layouts and templates. For example, Essentials is what you'll open up with. You can switch over to Animator, which is animator friendly, and then you have the timeline, everything switches up. You can make your own, like I did right here. I have one for my custom layout I just like it's basically your Essentials at the toolbar over to your left because I like it over there. And I got one for like when I'm making characters, I'm doing it for large timelines. I got, area of my timeline to be a lot larger. So again, I just want to show you this is here. And again, on different podcasts, I'll be showing you how to create your own custom templates. All right, well, this concludes our podcast. Hope you found it a little useful. See you on the next one.